In this video, we're going to talk about what a VPN is, how it works, and what you can do with a VPN and some of the benefits that it can provide for you. As you can see in the slide, a VPN operates on the server-client architecture. And basically what this means is that, say you're out in a public location with your VPN client, or in this case, your laptop or notebook, but you need to connect to your VPN server, which in this case is your tomato-powered router. By creating a VPN connection, you can utilize the existing internet connection at the public hotspot and create a secure tunnel to your local area network. Now, the benefits of this is twofold. Number one, you gain access to every device within your network. And number two, you can access the internet more securely. When connected to a VPN, you gain access to all of the computers within your local area network, just as if you were inside of that network. With your tomato-powered router, you can also use your router as a VPN client. So instead of using it as a server to serve up to your clients out there on the web, you can use it as a client and access another VPN server anywhere in the world. The benefit to this is that, say for example, you are located in a country such as China or Japan or another country. Well, suppose that country doesn't allow you to access certain websites, maybe social networking sites or certain video sites, maybe Netflix. If you're located in that country, you can establish a VPN connection to a VPN server located in another country, say for example the United States. That VPN connection will create a secure tunnel to the VPN server, allowing you to access the internet as if you were coming from the United States. Now, keep in mind, when you are connected to a VPN, you're connected to two networks. The network that you're connected to the internet with, say from a public hotspot, and you're also connected to the VPN connection. When you're connected to a VPN, you need to consider the IP address that you're connected to. Now, you'll notice that the network on the bottom is using IP 192.168.1.1, which is a very common private IP address for many routers. If we established a VPN connection and our network now has two networks with the same subnet and the same IP address, we're going to experience IP address conflicts. So ideally, you want to change the IP address on your router to something different, a different subnet. Say for example, 192.168.50.1 or .55.1, something other than a common IP address used by many networks. VPNs use various different protocols. There are more than shown here, but these are the main ones that are used often. PP2P is point-to-point tunneling protocol, and this was designed by Microsoft, and it's widely used. It works well with mobile devices such as a tablet or a phone. Very simple to set up with a username and password. It just doesn't have the security that's offered in another solution we're going to be talking about later. L2TP is layer 2 tunneling protocol, and basically that expanded on the PP2P and also incorporated some security, but it's still not one of my favorites. My favorite is the OpenVPN. It uses a custom security protocol that uses secure socket layer or transport layer security for key exchange, and we're going to be talking about that more soon. OpenVPN has two basic modes of authentication, a pre-shared key or a certificate. Now, the pre-shared key allows you to connect with one client device. It's also much easier to set up, and there's a lot less to manage. The certificate mode allows you to connect multiple clients. However, it does have additional steps in the setup process, and there is a bit more to manage. In the next video, I'm going to show you an overview of how a VPN works and how you can benefit from it. And from there, we'll show you how to use both the pre-shared key and the certificate-based model so you can secure access to your local area network from anywhere in the world.